One rainy morning, in Willowmere Woods, Bramble the rabbit peeked out of his cozy burrow. His nose twitched. It was adventure time. Thistle the hedgehog popped out from under a leafy umbrella. Thistle blinked and yawned. But Bramble, it's a rain day. Bramble and Thistle splashed through the puddles. Splish, splash. They found shiny pebbles, giggling all the way, and twisty twigs. Bramble found a feather shaped like a heart. Thistle found a button, shiny and small. They showed each other their treasures with big smiles. Soon they came to a log that looked just right for hiding secrets. Bramble poked his head inside. No, it's not empty. It's cozy, Thistle said. They curled up inside, listening to the raindrops tapping on the bark. Bramble's ears twitched with every drop. Thistle hummed a sleepy little song. I think, Bramble mumbled sleepily. This is the best treasure of all. I think so, too, whispered Thistle. And with that, the two friends napped, safe and snug. Don't forget to like and subscribe.